Hello there, welcome to Umid Private High School online class. In this class, we are going to talk topics of science. Okay, let's start it. Content is not required, dear students. You can see from your textbook. Let's move on. Let's see what is science. What is science? Science is the study of the physical and natural world through observations and experimentations. And I add one more thing, that is measurement. What is science? Science is the study of everything in the universe. Okay? How it studies the universe? It studies with the help of three methods. One, observation. One, experimentation. Third thing I add here, that is measurement. Okay? Using these three methods, science studies the universe. Here in this diagram, as you see, like here, magnet is there. Okay, here atom is there, for example, like here cell is there. Okay, so science studies everything in the world, every visible, invisible, tangible, intangible, small, large, everything is studied by science. Okay, and scientists, one who studies science or who has expert knowledge about science. Okay, and science has many branches, and main branches are physics, chemistry, and biology. Now let's move on. Now let's see some main branches of science. Main branches are obviously physics, chemistry, and biology. Okay, now what is physics? Here we talk very briefly, and later on we will talk in detail. Okay, physics. The study of physics focuses on laws and properties that govern behavior of all matter. Okay, physics is a branch of science which talks about laws and properties of matter. Okay, what kind of laws are there? What kind of behaviors? What kind of force they have? Energies? These things. Okay, so physics talks about laws and properties of matter. Okay, here matter means anything which has mass and volume. Physics often involve things we can't see. Here it is written. It means that physics talk about intangible things also, invisible and intangible things. For example, gravity. For example, magnetic forces, magnetic field, electrical field. Okay, these are invisible and intangible. We cannot touch, we cannot see. So physics often talks about invisible things also. Okay, you see here atom. Physics talk about atom. Here one simple machine is there also. Okay, it talks about these things. Okay, let's move on. We will talk later on in detail about physics. Now chemistry. Chemistry is the study of chemical reaction and properties of matter. Okay, this one talks about compounds and reactions and properties of different materials. Okay, how elements react with each other and how they form compounds. For example, how the cleansers are produced, how the soaps are produced, or how the medicines are made. These are the result of chemistry, right? So chemistry talks about reactions and properties of matter. Okay, here we talk very briefly, and later on we will talk in detail. Now biology. This is third main branch of science. Biology is the study of life. Okay, biology studies every living things. Living things means maybe human beings, maybe animals, maybe trees, maybe tree means plants. Okay, it studies all living things, the smallest structure of living things up to large organs of living things. It talks. Okay, as you see here, for example, one leaf is there, and one small portion of leaf, if we see through microscope, it will give us lots of information about the structure of leaf. Okay, now let's move on. Okay, thank you so much, dear students. It's enough for today. In the next class we will talk about physics more detail.